Do you ever feel like you are stuck in a loop, watching the same day repeat itself? In the next few minutes, I will give you a proven 5-step system that can shift your whole routine in just a handful of days. Stay with me and you'll see exactly how to break the pattern and start feeling better, faster. The first step is to know exactly where you are right now. Take a quick audit of your last 24 hours. How much sleep you got, how many screens you stared at, what you ate, and how you felt. Writing it down creates a clear picture, and that picture is the starting line for any improvement.
Big changes feel overwhelming, so break them into micro goals. Pick just one habit, for example, drinking a glass of water each morning, and commit to it for the next 3 days. Tiny, consistent actions build momentum and prove that change is possible. A powerful morning routine sets the tone for the whole day. Spend just 5 minutes doing 3 simple actions: drink water, write 1 line of gratitude, and stretch. This short ritual spikes focus, reduces stress, and builds a sense of control.
Identify the biggest time drain in your day. Often it's endless scrolling or unnecessary meetings. For the next 48 hours, cut that activity completely. When you remove the drain, the space you free up fuels the new habits you are building.
Each time you complete a day, celebrate it. A tiny reward, a favorite song, or a short walk triggers dopamine, reinforcing the behavior. Recognizing progress keeps motivation high and makes the new routine feel rewarding.
You now have a clear 5-step plan. Assess microgoal, morning ritual, eliminate a drain, and celebrate. Try it for a week, watch the small improvements stack, and you'll feel a shift in just days. If you found this useful, please like, comment with your first microgoal, and subscribe for more fast action life hacks.